This 2025 Gulf Stream BTouring Cruiser 5210 is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Gulf Stream is 22 feet 6 inches in length and features a smoked white interior, sleeps 4, TV, LP detector, stovetop burner, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, microwave, skylight, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2025 Gulf Stream BTouring Cruiser 5210 is built on a Ford E350 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.